Today we are going to show you how to make simple and stunning infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint like this. This is very simple and very beautiful. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and this is the blank slide. Let me go to design. Go to format background, go to picture or texture fill, go to texture and select this texture. Now let me go to home, go to the auto shape gallery, pick a oval shape, hold the shift key and drag it like this and place it here. Now go to shape fill, make it this fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline. And click on here the format shape, go to effect, go to shadow, go to preset, select the offset top preset and change the distance from here 5% and change the size to 102%. Now go to reflection, go to preset, select the tight reflection touching and change the distance from here 30% and change the transparency and also change the transparency to 30%. Now again go to home, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Write the year, press the enter key. You can edit your text here. Now select the text, place it center, change the font to Times New Roman and change the font size and make it bigger and place it here. Change the font color to white color and make the year bold and make it bigger. Now select this shape, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Reduce the size by holding the shift key and place it like this. Press Ctrl plus Alt key and make a copy and place it like this. Again press Ctrl and Alt key, make a copy and place it like this. Again press Ctrl and Alt key, make a copy and place it like this. Now select this shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill, change the fill color from here. Select this one, go to shape fill, change the fill color. This one, go to shape fill, change the fill color and this one change the another fill color from here. Now press the Ctrl key and make a copy of this text box and place it here, here, here and here. Now place it exactly middle and change the font size like this. You can change the font size from here, place it like this. Now I have to add some animation, so let me select this shape, go to animation, go to add animation and click on bounce and change the duration to 1.50 seconds and again select the text box, go to add animation, click on zoom and start after previous. Now if I watch the slideshow here, this is perfect. Now select this shape, go to animation painter. I have to paint the animation, all of these shapes. Click on animation painter and select this shape and select this text box, go to animation painter and select this one. Now select this shape, go to animation painter and paste it here. Now go to home, go to text box right here, infographic, change the font from here. Let me change it to Arial, make it bold, place it center, go to shape format, go to word art style and change the style from here. Increase the font size. Now if I want to watch the slideshow, let me click on here, let me click on a space button. Perfect. Again click. Perfect. Again click. Perfect. Again click. Perfect. Again click. Perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.